Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you this Royal Albert. It's a Demitasse Montrose shaped teacup, coffee cup and saucer really, isn't it? Could be used for a very small cup of tea, but it's more designed for use in coffee service. Measurements are on the website. They aren't full-size Montrose, and it's not full pontoon, swollen Montrose shapes that you get on the larger version teacups, but very elegant, classic Royal Albert handle with a little leaf motif on the thumb rest. Nice bit of gilt decoration around the outer side. This particular cup is called Honey Lane. The design, Royal Albert Bone China, England, from the Country Life series. Now, we've had this combination before, and it's quite interesting because we've got Honey Lane marks on the cups, which were matching on the previous set we had. And on the saucers, which I think you'll agree is an identical design with that little rabbit in the foreground on both pieces, but these are labelled Springwood and scratched through to indicate that they were sold as seconds. Royal Albert Bone China, again from the Country Life series. Now, I'm starting to think that these were actually combined into this series on a deliberate route by Royal Albert and probably always sold as this set. So I don't think this, although we were suspicious initially it could be a mislabeling or a factory error, that they put the wrong stamp on the base. The fact that we've seen this on 2 lots of this china coming through over the course of 5 years tends to indicate to me that this was a Country Life series and they combined the 2 different, slightly different designs. Again, little harebells or bluebells here, the rabbit in the mid-ground, and then these pink floral blossoms, again picked up on the identical design front and rear on the teacup or coffee cup, and a lovely little bit of internal wall decoration on this one as well. Bit of rib moulding, as you can see, coming forward onto the rim. Just a very palpable but not visible scalloping around there because of that external ribbing. And again, that's picked up on the saucer, which definitely has a palpable scalloped rim. So nice pieces of period Royal Albert in very fine condition. We can't see any faults on any of the saucers in this set, and it makes a very nice little collectible or display piece of Royal Albert bone china, useful for espresso coffee or small coffees. A very pretty little floral and fauna set. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Click on the link below if you'd like to find further details, pricing and all the availability info. Thanks for watching.